In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey using Qualtrics in 2025. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll have the skills to craft your own survey from scratch. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Qualtrics. This will lead you to the official website where you'll be able to access the platform's features. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. Here, you'll need to enter your registered username and password. It's important to ensure that your login details are correct so you can access your dashboard without any hitches. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the Qualtrics homepage. Here, you should look for the Create a New Project button. This button is your starting point for crafting a new survey. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter a name for your survey project. Choose something descriptive that clearly identifies the purpose or topic of your survey. This step ensures that you can easily locate and recognize your project in the future. Now, you're faced with an important decision: whether to start your project from scratch or to use an existing template. If you prefer to build everything according to your specific needs, select the option to create a blank survey project. However, if you would like a head start, you can choose to import a survey from a template or an existing project. This flexibility allows you to tailor your survey creation process to your own workflow. Once you've made your choice, click the Create Project button to enter the survey editor. Think of this editor as the main workspace where you will design and organize your survey. Qualtrics uses blocks to organize questions, and these blocks typically display as separate pages to respondents, helping to keep the survey clear and manageable. If you need to add a new page, simply choose the Add New Block option. Within each block, you can add new questions. Clicking on Add New Question will open a menu with various question types, such as multiple choice or text entry. Select the type that best fits the information you wish to gather. Now, it's time to enter your question text and any response options. The on-screen tools make it easy to format your text, ensuring your content looks polished and professional. Before finalizing your survey, use the Preview button to simulate the participant experience. This step is crucial as it allows you to see how your survey will appear and function from the participant's perspective. If needed, make any necessary adjustments to ensure clarity and accessibility. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating effective, engaging surveys using Qualtrics. Happy surveying!